And we've got some breaking news coming in now. Beneficiaries receiving the Covaxin COVID vaccination, that is the Bharat Biotech Covaxin, will have to sign a consent form. Beneficiaries are being promised compensation in the case of adverse events after it's proven that it happened due to the vaccine. I want to go across now to Milan Sharma, who's breaking the story first. Milan, take us through this consent form that needs to be signed by anyone receiving the Covaxin product from Bharat Biotech. Milan, can you hear me?
Yes, Shiv. In fact, there's a consent form that has to be signed by those who take the Swadeshi vaccine, Covaxin. So that would be one of the prerequisites. We remember that during the clinical trials as well, and since the efficacy data of Covaxin is yet to be ascertained, but the government had given them permission to use the vaccine to administer to the healthcare workers. The consent form needs to be signed by each and every person who will take Covaxin today. Now, the consent form will have situations and questions. Yeah, go ahead, Shiv.
Go ahead. Complete your thing, then I'll ask you, Milan.
So I just wanted to say that the Covaxin consent form will need, the signature of the healthcare worker who takes it. Also the fact that they will be told the vaccine that they are being given, the amount of vaccine that they are being given, and the fact that this vaccine is still being given under the clinical trial mode. Okay, so the efficacy data is not available at this point of time, but since the government and the drug regulators have given it an approval, it is one of the vaccines that will be administered at many centers today. We've been told that 6 centers in Delhi, which mostly belong to the central government hospitals such as AIIMS and Safdarjung, will be administering the Covaxin jab. In fact, sources have also told us that Niti Aayog member Dr. V.K. Paul will himself be taking a Covaxin jab today, Shiv.
Interesting. We're going to see how that actually plays out. Only 12 minutes to go for all of that to happen. Milan, all systems go. We'll come back to you in just a bit.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.